How long has it been since you've washed your hair? Bad hygiene habits are an important factor leading to tinea capitis, because a large amount of grease, dust, etc. will accumulate on the scalp, providing a favorable environment for the growth of ringworm bacteria. At the same time, without paying attention to scalp cleaning, the metabolic products of the scalp cannot be removed in time, which will affect the normal physiological function of the scalp and reduce the resistance of the scalp, thus increasing the risk of infection of ringworm.